Do you have a drum pattern, but you want some of the hits to be lighter than others? I'm going to show you how to accomplish that using velocity in BandLab. So here we have our drum machine. And to open up the drum machine menu, I'm going to double click on the region. And here we have the edit or V menu. And when edit's on, if I click an empty space, that'll add a drum beat. And if I click it again, that'll remove. If I want to switch the velocity, which means how hard the note is hit, I go over and click V. And these drum loops basically have 3 types of velocity. When it's the most colorful, that's when it's the strongest. When it's the lightest, that's when it's the weakest. And then there's that middle ground. So you get there by clicking it. So I just click once to make it super strong, click once to make it a little bit weak. Let's make them weak, these 2 kicks in the middle, so we can see the actual effect of changing the velocity. Very quiet. Quiet, quiet. And now we'll turn them up all the way to the max and see if we can see a difference. You can see that they're even a brighter color than the other ones in that line. It's very quick to achieve higher velocity using the drum machine in BandLab, and that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Keep creating, and we'll see you in the next video.